Okay, we have an internal temperature of 203. As you can see, these things look fantastic. I can't wait to get my mouth on them. So obviously we cooked the temperature, but another thing you can do to test and make sure they're done is when you try to pick them up, they want to fall apart. And that is what we were looking for there. So I am going to let these rest for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to cut them up, and I'm going to have my family, which is my son and my wife, are going to give me their take on which recipe they like the best. And I'm just going to I'll share that with you guys, and I will update you here shortly. Those look good, look at there. Look. You tell us what would be. Okay, here's the first recipe, and it is so juicy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I've cut a couple pieces off and going to compare them to the other two. Okay, here's the second one. It's juicy as well. It doesn't have as big of a bark as the first one, but it's still got a pretty good crusty bark. Okay, here's the third one. Again, a lot of juice, good bark. Looks a little bit different than the others because when we first smoked it, we didn't have any rub on it. So it was essentially all exposed meat. But there's my platter, each 3 types. That's for my son and myself. And we're gonna taste these and see which one we like the best.